Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and this is week 3 of my FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips 30 Days Challenge, where I have been using the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips and showing each week a different types of settings, my before and afters, and a unique tutorial that goes along with the settings so you can see which kind of results you can get. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below. And during this challenge, I'm also doing an international giveaway, so you can win a FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips. So to enter the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and all the videos from this series will be 4 videos. At the end of this challenge, I'm going to choose a winner from the comments. The FOREO BEAR Eyes and Lips is a microcurrent device that combines microcurrent with T-sonic pulsations. It has 2 different types of microcurrent and 5 different types of T-sonic pulsations. If you want more information about the FOREO BEAR 2 Eyes and Lips, check week 1, where I go into more details about this device. Today, our focus is week 3 settings and results. Select Smart Control menu. And for the T-sonic pulsations, intensity 1. And then the pattern will be trigger point massage. Trigger point massage uses alternating levels of pressure to relieve tightness in muscle tissue. And for the microcurrent, we're going to select intensity 1. And we're going to select the tapping microcurrent, which is a quick and short waves of current flow through the upper layer of the skin to brighten and plump. So this week's focus will be brighten the under eye, relaxing the muscle, not just the eye muscle, but also the forehead muscle, because the forehead is also responsible for the lift. In order to get an even better lift, you want to not just work on the eye area, but also work on your forehead and even your scalp. This week, I'm including the forehead in the tutorial. And the reason for that is that the forehead muscle is called frontalis and actually starts on the forehead and goes the way to your scalp. So when you lift this muscle, you are helping to lift your eyebrows. But when this muscle sags, you can see that you get more hooding. And this muscle here goes all the way to the scalp. So that's why on this week's video, I show you a way that you can massage your scalp to release the tension on the scalp, release the tension on the frontalis, also the muscles here, and it will help you get a better, more open eye lift when you're doing microcurrent. The massage is really simple. You start on your temples with your hands. You want to move the scalp as if you're trying to detach the scalp from your head, really. You start on the sides here, and you start moving up, all the way up. And again, start moving as if you're trying to detach your scalp from your head. You can do it like this, you can do it like this, or you can just do massage movements for 1 minute. And you can. And it does feel great to do this any time of the day or before you do the microcurrent. And for some people, it might hurt because your scalp might be really tense. So take it easy. You can start slow. And as you do this daily, you will feel that your scalp is going to get even more nice and relaxed. After 1 minute, I want you to get your fingers and press the eyebrows, right on the eyebrows. That also helps to release a lot of the tension from your eye. Just go like this. And also put your fingers here. And there's also these 2 fingers. Just stripe the brows. 1, 2, and 3. Now put the 2 fingers here and just slide 1, 2, and 3. Then use just 2 fingers to just press here on the bone and just to relax this area and loosen up the muscles. That way, if you have any tension, it will come out. And then you can end by putting your head on the scalp, just pulling up. This also helps with circulation in the scalp. I'm just pulling my hair, just slightly, just pulled up to relax this whole area, and finish by doing this here on the side of your to open up the lymphatic drainage, and then bring it down, and then you can do the tutorial. Now let me show you my results from week 3. I do feel the overall eye area is brighter, and definitely each week I see more lifting, more firming, especially on the side that I sleep, which is this side. I can definitely see the skin getting firmer and lifting a little more each week. Now let's get to the real-time tutorial. I use the settings 5 times a week, 2 minutes on each eye. And the settings for this week are: the sonic pulsation is the intensity 1, trigger point massage. And for the microcurrent, we're going to continue intensity 1, and the type of microcurrent is tapping microcurrent. On a fully cleansed face, apply your conductive gel on your forehead, on your eyebrows, and on the under eye area. To start, select Start. We're going to start on the forehead, lifting and holding 1, lifting and holding 1, and we're going to do this for 1 minute on one side of your face, and we're going to be doing this for 1 minute. I explain on the tips for the tutorial part of this video why we're including the forehead during this eye lift challenge, because the forehead muscle is part of the frontalis. If you lift it, it really helps to lift your eye even more. And I also included a massage technique that you can do before this tutorial to get even better results. So always make sure to watch the tips before the tutorial, where I explain the moves, I explain the settings, and I explain how to get even better results. I'm doing more firm motions, but when you do it on the eye area, don't do it so hard. But for the forehead, you can be a little more firm than you are in the eye area. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of circulation from the movement. It's not hurting, but just be more gentle when you do the eye area. Now we're going to do the under eye. We're going to start outside and go all the way in to the corner and out for 30 seconds. You can do this rocking movement either faster like I'm doing, or also slower. And you can also do it closer to the eyes as I'm doing right now, and alternating between a little closer to the eyes and a little lower like I just showed there. Tapping microcurrent is really great for firming the skin and smoothing this area. Now we're going to do the top lid, also starting from the outside all the way to the inner corner and out. And you can do a little lift as you do the movement, also for 30 seconds. This movement also benefits from going at a slower pace because the tapping microcurrent helps to firm this area. And if you have a lot of sagginess, you can also use your other hand to lift the area so the probes slide without tugging the skin. You can also do this a little bit of a lift because you are also relaxing this whole muscle. And then hit stop. Apply the gel to the forehead and the under eye, and then we can do the other side. When you're ready to start, press start. And then we're going to start again with the forehead. Lift 1, hold 1. I don't know why, but I started doing faster for some reason on the side too. But you can either just do a 1 lift, or you can do a 1 lift and then a hold for 1 second. I kind of alternated between these two because ultimately what you want to achieve with these is stretch the frontalis and actually lift it. And I also love that the probes from the Bear 2 also massage the forehead as well, the frontalis, so it relaxes. So even if you don't do the hold, or if you do faster, you can see there's a lot of circulation on my forehead. And this is also helping to stretch out the muscle and lift. But definitely do a little hold at the end if you like, or alternate between holding and just going up like I'm doing right now. In all honesty, during the week, I kind of alternate between holding and just lifting like I'm doing it. Then we're going to do the inside, starting out, going all the way in and out for 30 seconds. Alternate between slow and faster, and also a little lower and a little closer to the eyes is actually a good way to do this. And take advantage of the timer. If you want to keep doing this real time with me, you can always put my voice on mute and just use the timer as your guide. But make sure to watch it with my voice in real time at least once, because I'm always giving you tips along the way during the tutorial as well. Now let's do the outside, all the way in and out. can do a little lifting, and the duration is also 30 seconds. During this whole challenge, I have stayed with intensity 1 on both of the settings because the eye area is a very delicate area. This is a very strong device. So even in intensity 1, it is truly strong. As you guys can see, I have been getting amazing results each week because with microcurrent, less is more. Because more than intensity, what matters is consistency. If you're interested on any FOREO devices, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate link, and they have a special discount until March 31st when you use my coupon code on top of any of the website sales, and I'll always update the description box below so you can get the best deal. Don't forget to tune in next week for week 4. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!